Yeah, this storm ain't playing no games. Wow. Let's light the grill. There's lots of snow, but that's okay. We gotta light up the grill. That is it. Fire up the grill right now. Time to fire up the grill, you know. Lots of snow, but that's alright. I'm gonna put on this YouTube camera right here. Get him ready for the show time, you know? Yeah, and it's about that time. Alright, let's get to work. Money making at any weather. That is it. Yeah, man, no capping. Right in the snow, we are deal with it. Money make in any weather. Yeah, man. So we start him off on the top grill, of course, because we want to make sure it cook right too. So you don't touch down there yet. You want the smoke and the steam do his job first. Right? So stay tuned. Stay tuned. And pork and chicken, everything mix up. Because everybody in this family eat pork and chicken. If I have a cousin that don't eat pork, so if I was giving him some of this food, I would make sure I clean the grill and do the chicken first. And then after I do the chicken, then I would do the pork. But this family, we eat everything, so we're good. Yeah, man. Pork, chicken, fish, we're good. Yeah, man. No capping in the snow, see? Welcome to St. Stallions TV. No capping. That is it. Cause we keep the fire blazing. We keep the fire burning hot. And I get a little bit too touched, but it's alright. Keep the fire blazing. Red hot, we keep the fire blazing. Cause we keep the fire blazing. Say we keep the fire blazing hot. We keep the fire blazing. Yes, we keep the fire blazing hot. It's a beautiful day. I love it. You know what I mean? Some people gonna say it's cold, but for me, this is nothing, man. 42 degrees. You know I'm gonna light the grill once it hit 40 degrees. So we keep the fire blazing. Yes, we keep the fire blazing hot. Yes, we keep the fire blazing. St. Stallions TV, that. Alright, let me finalize what's going on with the pork now. The pork is looking so nice. That is it. So now I'm gonna add some flavor and some sauce to it and we're good to go, baby. Alright, so now it's time to add. Let's use, this is the nice part right now. Right? Red stripe. Alright, let's get the show on the road. This is a good time to baste the chicken when I was saying. You just wet it up. Wet it up. That's enough. That's enough wettings. Wet it up. Yeah, and then you just let him sit now for maybe a good while. Make him take him time and cook. There's no rush. It's gonna need some time to properly cook the inside, and that's it. St. Stallions TV, baby. You know how we do. No capping. See there? Ice and snow all around. This not AI, this no edit. Real thing. That is it. Yeah, man. And Stallions TV, you know. Whee! Just like that, baby. Special sauce to add to it with some little bit of Scotchman and pepper flavor sauce in it. Then we're gonna chop it up nice and neat, and then we're good to go. Chop it up, good to go. Eat pork, you might want to stay away from this one. Oink, 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 oink. Chicken nice, but everything mixed up in a one. You know, and add some more of the special sauce. This is the flavor right here. Eat pork, you might want to stay away from this one. Oink, 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 oink. Chicken nice, but everything mixed up in a one. You I want to add some more of the special sauce. This is the flavor right here.